9 is the first multiple of 3 who is male. The second is 18, the third is 36, the fourth is 42, the fifth is 54, the sixth is 63, the seventh is 81, and the eighth is 90. 9 is very similar to 4 in many ways, as they are both square numbers, both are male, their faces are similar, they are consecutive squares, and are the second biggest number in their respective seasons. According to Painting by Numbers, 2 thinks that 9's smile is cheeky. 9 is the biggest single-digit number block. 9 is mostly seen arranged vertically, in a square, and 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. There are 7 episodes where he is the biggest number in. Just Add 1 is the first episode in which, when 9 is arranged 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, his face is below his top block. 9 is the third square number to appear in the series and the biggest square in Series 2. 9 is the second male odd number block. The first is 7, the third is 13, the fourth is 17, and the fifth is 23. 9's voice has gotten deeper in Series 3. 9's blocks have gotten darker since Series 6. He is the only number block from 1 to 10 whose design is not based off of their value. Originally, in Series 2, he was a number block who was prone to sneezing out his nose, at first usually being indicated by it tingling and looking uneven. In later seasons, this has become more or less prominent of him, to the point that the other squares can also sneeze out their middle blocks. Despite this, Numberblocks still considers him the little sneezy. However, sometimes 9 puts his sneezing to good use, such as in Now in 3D, to put a stop to Octonaughty, and in the 12 Days of Christmas, to help substitute 1 for her singing line. 9 was given differing body part colors in blocking shots as to make him easier to animate. This seems to have carried over to meet the Numberblocks, where his legs are red. From Series 3 to Series 5, 9's middle block doesn't wiggle whenever he is about to sneeze. 9 is the first number block to not debut in his vertical arrangement, or even make the arrangement in his debut episode. He is the only Orange Level 2 number block to do so. This is because when he was made, 1 jumped into 8's hole rather than on top of him, because 4 was sad for being the only square. A similar case happens with 13, with him not appearing in his 10s and 1s arrangement. 9 is the third semi-prime, the first being 4 and the second being 6. 9 is the smallest composite odd number block, whereas the smallest composite even number is 4. 9 is the first square that is the opposite gender of their square root, as he is male, while 3 is female. The next 4 are 16, 36, 49, and 64. As he always sneezes when he is in his square arrangement, this may indicate his tickly nose is caused by an allergy. As when he is in his square arrangement, this may indicate his tickly nose is caused by an allergy to being square. As seen in 5's handy shop, he may have an allergy to pollen, as he sneezed after he sniffed the flowers. 9 is the first multiple of 3 to not be a step squad. 9 is the first odd number block whose main arrangement is not their tallest. He sounds like the color block sky blue. This is due to them both being voiced by David Holt. Most characters in Alpha blocks have similar voices to 9. He is the smallest male number block to be in the 3 times table. 9 can sneeze by himself on purpose, as seen in 72 Super Surprise. He is the second 1-digit number block to not have all his blocks the same color. The first to have this trait is 7. Coincidentally, they are both voiced by David Holt.